everyone, happy Friday. Today, you are all going to be writing your current events position paragraphs. So, this assignment is posted on Schoology in today's folder, but just to review, in general, you are picking a side for your current events debate from this week. Now, the directions say use your completed graphic organizer to craft a well written position paragraph about your debate topic. Once you have completed your writing, be sure to highlight your claim and concluding sentence in yellow, your evidence in green, and your analysis in pink. In addition, the rubric is attached to this assignment as well as in paper form in a yellow worksheet on your desks right now. Now, the directions itself are super self-explanatory and, again, to repeat what I said yesterday, very similar to what you guys should have been doing in both reading and science class throughout this year so far. You are going to state your claim, which should explain your position and introduce your argument. For example, the United States should continue to support Ukraine because whatever your argument is going to be. I want to emphasize that it should do two things. Number one, it should state your position, which is the actual stance you're taking on the debate, as well as introducing your argument, which is where you're going to go with your evidence later on. If you're wondering about sentence starters, there's an example right here. This one is about assault weapons, specifically like semi-automatic weapons, which is a debate we'll get to later. But assault weapons should be banned or should not be banned because you're introducing where you're going next. Do not forget the word because. Okay? After that, then, is going to be your evidence, which we talked a lot about yesterday and the day before that, as well as your analysis, your evidence number 2, and your analysis number 2. Pro tip, use the Analyzing Arguments worksheet that you use during your debate to craft all of this. It should be very, very similar to what we did in class and we talked about yesterday during our debates. And then finally, at the end, you should restate your claim in a different way. This is just a really good habit to get into with your writing, restating your claim, sort of wrapping up your writing in a new way at the end. You're going to have the entire class today to write your paragraph, and then at the end of class, you're going to submit your writing and turn in that yellow piece of paper. A little bit about the yellow piece of paper. The rubric is posted, and although I'm not there today, I want to emphasize that a rubric is a tool. So at the top, you're going to write your name, the date, as well as your period for your class, and then you're going to circle your topic, which is either obviously college athletics, Ukraine, or the civics test. From there, the first section is about preparation, which includes the Analyzing Arguments worksheet. Please make sure that you submit that if you have not already done so. Many of you have. And then you're going to move on to the position paragraph, which includes your claim, what I just went over, which is your evidence, your analysis, your evidence number 2, and your analysis number 2, and then finally, conventions and mechanics. 2 points for this activity is your preparation, which includes that Analyzing Arguments worksheet. 14 points, wow, that's a lot of points, Mrs. Lopez, that's pretty nice, includes the paragraph itself. This rubric is a tool. So if you're wondering, how do I get an A? Well, you earn it, first of all, but second of all, it's all right here. You include a claim that clearly responds to the prompt and introduces part of your argument. That's exactly what I just said. Use this as a tool at the end of your writing to self-assess. When you're done, please make sure that you click Submit Assignment on Schoology and then turn in your yellow rubric to your sub. If you have any questions over the weekend, let me know. Again, I hope that everything today matches what we've been working on all week, and I cannot wait to read your writing. Have a great weekend.